creating your first Android application in just 3 minutes.
So guys, I have already explained how you can install the Android Studio. So you can check the link popping here. So after you launch the Android Studio, you can see this screen. Click on the create new project. So the Android Studio giving us the many templates. Since we will going to start our application with one screen, so click on empty activity, click on next. So write your first application name. You can see there are two type of files. The one is .kt file and another one is .xml files. So I'm doing the development in the Kotlin, so that's why it's .kt file. It stands for Kotlin. So in this file we will going to write down our business logic, and in the .xml file we will going to design our screen. So you can see the three tabs. When you click on design, you can see the design of our screen, and in the middle one click on this, where you can do the code and also see the changes, how your screen look like. So let's increase the size of the button to make it more visible. Text color black, text size 30 dp. So in my coming tutorials I will explain you how you can design your screen and what are the different UI components. So the next thing, we will going to launch this screen in our virtual device. So guys, I have already told you how you can create your virtual device, or if you are having Android device, how you can install your application in the Android device. So this is my virtual device, and you can check my video links here, and you can know how you can install your application. For now, you click on the run button, and now what is happening, this application will going to run in the virtual device.